Need to highlight the active row in Excel automatically? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use a simple formula and conditional formatting to make your current row pop with a green background and white text. Perfect for navigating large sheets with ease. Let's get started. Here's a sample dataset of movie records. Our goal: highlight the active row as we scroll. Let's apply conditional formatting with a simple formula. Follow along step by step. First, select the full range of your dataset by pressing Ctrl+A. Now go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule window, choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter this formula. This formula compares each row in your selected range to the currently active row. When they match, it triggers the formatting. Now, click on Format. Then, set Fill Color to green. Set Font Color to white. Click OK to apply format. Then OK again to apply the rule. Now watch the magic. Click on any cell inside the table, and boom, the entire row is highlighted in green with white text automatically. This helps reduce mistakes and improves visibility while working with large datasets. Now, what if you no longer want this formatting or made a mistake? Here's how to remove conditional formatting from your sheet. First, select the range or entire sheet. Go to the Home tab. Then, Conditional Formatting. Click Clear Rules. Choose Clear Rules from selected cells if you only want to remove formatting from a specific range. Or, select Clear Rules from entire sheet to remove everything. That's it, clean slate, ready to apply a new rule or keep it simple. And that's how you highlight the active row in Excel with a green background and white font, automatically and easily. If this tip saved you time, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe to Easy Quick Learning for more simple Excel tricks. Thanks for watching.